Welcome back to the Barrett channel, welcome to another video. Today we're at an electric scooter factory and these scooters are really cool, as you can see behind me. They're kind of like a retro sort of feel, a bit like a Lambretta or a Vespa from the 70s. So today we're going to take you down the production line and you can see exactly how they're going to be made, so stick around. Okay, so the process starts here with the chassis, and the chassis have their number put on just here. Once the chassis has had their number put on, they come over to here, and this is where some various components, this looks like some sort of shock absorbers get fitted here, and then various other components get fitted. So you can see here the shock absorbers going on. And then this guy puts this thing here on, and so this guy fits some cast on and some shock absorbers go on, and also some cabling. And then we move up. This guy here, he obviously fits the back wheel to the thing. You can see him doing that just here. We move along, and more components get fitted. So there's sort of a rear mud guard thing here, and moving up the line. This looks like the controller for the electronics, because these are electric scooters. Here the guy's fitting the horn, and the horn's a really important thing in China because they love to keep beeping their horn because they're driving around on the pavement and all over the place. Moving on, this guy's fitting the front wheel, the front mud guard, the kind of steering column. Woman here is fitting the bracket for the seat, and we can also see the headlight going on here. Sorry, not the headlight. This is the sort of handlebar control switches and the speedometer and things like that. We get to this stage, you can see we've got the handlebars on, you've got the wheels, you've got the frame. A lot of the electrics are in, controllers in. Continuing to move up the line till we get to where body panels are starting to be fitted. So you've got the side panels here, and I guess this is where the battery might go, or I'm not so sure about that. You've got all this sort of pieces already in here now. So it's really starting to come together. As you can see, somebody's testing the horn. I kind of like this nice black colour. It's like a metallic-y black. It's really smart, that is. Back lights are in now. So it's starting to get complete. Putting the body panel on underneath here, and this guy's fixing the front body panel. As you can see, all the workings in there, and this guy will fit the front body panel on. Yeah. So the guy's getting the front body panel on. You've got some kind of little lights here and a nice big headlight going on there. Moving a little bit further along, and I'm not quite sure what they've added here, but I'm sure they're connecting things up and that. And then we move on to the next stage, which is where the seat is being fitted. So this is the fitting of the seat. and at this point it's almost complete, and it's gone pretty quick from being just parts to almost a completed bike. We get to this stage, and this is pretty almost complete, I guess, now. I'm not quite sure why we've got one here that's not complete. This will be the specification of the bike here with the tags on. And then it's, as you can see, it's all very neat and organised here. And once we get to this point, this is a nice metallic silver one here. And once we get to this point, they'll be taken off the production line. And just to give you an idea, this factory, this particular line, has a capacity of between 150 and 200 per day, depending on the model. That's roughly about one every 1.5 to 2 minutes of these electric scooters, which is pretty much, it's going a bit, you know. As the scooter's complete, it's then wheeled off the production line and it goes to the area over here. So once they've come from the production line, they come to this kind of holding area. And what they do here, they do all kind of the last sort of tweaks and that. And if there's any little problems on the production line, they sort them out here. You can see all the guys have their own little box of tools, and they just sort of make sure there's no scratches on the bodywork. They might have to change a body panel over if there's a problem. But they kind of check everything's working, do all the last tweaks. And then once that's done, they move them over here where they store them. And once they're over here, they're then ready for packing. And the electric bikes are kind of much more simple packaging, so they're not done by machine, they're actually done by hand. And I guess once they packed, they go into boxes like this over here, ready to be shipped all over the world. And the ones you saw with the Italian flags on the logo, they're heading for the Spanish market. So they do make these scooters to ship pretty much all over the world, but they concentrate, or a lot of their concentration here is on the European market. And I kind of really like these. These are really smart, these are. They're like, they kind of remind me of like, when in the 70s, like Vespas and Lambrettas, but like a modern version. So yeah, it was everybody's sort of teenager and a bit older to drive, to ride a Vespa or a Lambretta at that time. Yeah, it's pretty cool, man. So we're here at the showroom of the factory, and we're just going to give you a look around some of the bikes that they can actually manufacture here. And from what I can see, there's some pretty cool looking bikes here. Okay, now we've had a look around the showroom, we're going back to the factory. So I've just seen bikes like this come off the production line here. And basically I'm just gonna have a jump on it now and give it a spin because it looks pretty cool. So let's give it a go. Speed up to number 3 because I like a bit of power. And here we go, whoa. This is really pretty cool, man. It's kind of fast. Should we run Ollie over? Let's run him over. Whoa! I've had a bit of a spin around in the factory. Well, I'm still having a spin around because it's actually quite cool. Bet Ollie wants to go. And then what we're going to do is, in a minute, we're going to take it outside because I really want to open it up and we give it a spin outside. anyway, that is the end of another video here on the Barrett channel. If you like this video, whack that thumbs up because it really helps us get out there. If you like the channel in general, hit that subscribe button. But anyway, don't forget our social links, Twitter and Instagram, because we're a bit active on there as well. You might see some pictures and stuff on there. But anyway, as always, for now, take care.